Hi, new mama. Whether you're breastfeeding, pumping, or doing a little bit of both, chances are you're interested in optimizing the quality of your milk supply, and I'm here to help. You may have heard about lactation cookies, but if you're like me and you're trying to fit in your food prep during your baby's unpredictable naps, then you might want to consider making some overnight oats. I'm going to show you a delicious and easy recipe for lactation overnight oats. They're pineapple coconut and they're so tasty. Plus, I'll share tips on foods and herbs that may help boost milk quality. Here's what you'll need to make these delicious overnight oats. Half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of Now's ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of Now's debittered Brewer's yeast, half a cup of pineapple chunks, 2 tablespoons of Now unsweetened shredded coconut, and a dash of ground cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. The ingredients that could help boost your milk quality include: number 1, oats. Maybe it's because they're a good source of iron, or maybe it's the type of fiber in oats. Either way, they're a nutritious ingredient. Number 2 is flax. Flax seeds have phytoestrogens and healthy fats. Number 3, Brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast has naturally occurring nutrients such as B vitamins and iron, which is why it might be helpful for moms who are breastfeeding or pumping. Now let's make our overnight oats. All you need to do is put your ingredients in a mason jar, stir, put the lid back on, and put these in the fridge. You can do overnight or a couple of hours, whatever works with your schedule. I like to make up a whole bunch of these in different sizes, and then I have them ready in the fridge for a quick energy boost when I need them. And now they're ready. So easy and so delicious. Now let's talk about supplements that could be helpful to women who are breastfeeding or pumping. Before you start taking any supplements, speak to your doctor. It's also a great idea to ask for a referral to a lactation consultant if you're having any issues with your supply. Fenugreek is a spice that you might know from the Indian spice blend garam masala. Fenugreek could help increase milk supply for some women, especially when you first start producing milk. Ask your doctor whether it's okay for you to take and the right dosage for you. By far, my favorite supplement to help keep milk emulsified or prevent it from clumping is sunflower lecithin. Lecithin is found naturally in certain foods, and it's also added to some foods. It's abundant in something called phospholipids, which help keep milk more fluid, and it's also a natural source of choline. Follow Now Foods and Me 80-20 rule for more tips on living well and eating deliciously.